In addition to suggested keywords, you can also use keyword sets. Expand the keyword set panel over here and select a preset from the menu. So right now the default preset is recent keywords, and so this is the set for the recent keywords. These are all the keywords we've just applied. So here are some other keyword presets. For example, outdoor photography. We have landscape, macro, flowers and plants, wildlife, people, spring, summer, and so on. Some of the other sets include portrait photography, wedding photography. To edit any of these keyword sets, you can click the menu here and click Edit Set. In this dialog box that appears, you can select the preset that you want to modify and then adjust the keywords that are attached to that preset. But since I don't want to do that, I'll go ahead and click Cancel. If we go back to Edit Set, one other thing that I wanted to point out is that you can make modifications to an existing set and then save that set as a completely new set. So for example, if I wanted to save this as something else, I just give it a new name and click Create, and then click Change. So now this keyword set has been added to our menu. We can apply any keyword in this keyword set by clicking on an image and then clicking the keyword we want to apply. Now again, I won't actually click on it because I don't want to add it, but it's something that you can do.